Hey guys, it's your girl Peggy Cakes here. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! Look at this beautiful looking red velvet cake. Yeah, so today we're gonna eat some food from Porto's. Yeah, Porto's is a very famous Cuban bakery and cafe here in Los Angeles. Yeah, they're always packed. There are always a lot of people. And they serve a lot of Cuban dishes as well as a lot of nice looking and delicious pastries and cakes. They have a few locations here in Los Angeles, only in Los Angeles, but the good news is you can order their food online. Yeah, you can go to their website and they ship it to you nationwide. Yeah, like these chicken croquettes, they can ship it to you. So that's the good news if you're not living here in Los Angeles and you would like to try the food. Okay, let's start with this red velvet cake. I'll give you guys a closer look. So this is the classic red velvet cake. It has layers of red velvet cake and Porto's signature cream cheese icing decorated with fresh rose petals and toasted red velvet cake crumbs. Are rose petals edible? I've never eaten rose petals before. If they put it on a cake, it should be edible, right? Okay, and then over here we have the chicken croquette. It is traditional croquette made with bechamel, chicken, garlic, parsley, and Spanish seasonings. Yeah, so how are you doing? Good, I hope. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, I've had red velvet cakes before and they always kind of taste a little weird, so hopefully this one tastes okay. Can I eat the rose petal? Let me try one. Okay. Tastes a little bit like spinach. I didn't know you can eat rose petals. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, this is good. I like the cream cheese. This doesn't taste weird like other red velvet cake. I don't really know how to describe it, but you know, like other red velvet cakes, they have this weird coloring taste for some reason, but this one doesn't. And the cream cheese is so good. Oh my god, look at that. It's so soft and moist. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. The last time I had that cake was that tiramisu cake and it was like frozen, so I was like getting brain freeze. Oh my god. I'm not sure if they ship cake nationwide. Can they ship cake nationwide? Well, I'll check it and I'll let you guys know. Ooh. Oh my god. This is the best red velvet cake ever. The cream cheese is really light, really soft. And then the layers of cake is like super soft and super moist. Wow. This is so good. Okay, let's go for the chicken croquette. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so creamy. There's chicken, I think there's potatoes. It's like the chicken pot pie filling. Oh my god. It's so good. It's like a little teardrop. Oh my god. It's just so good. Porto's food, 10 out of 10. Oh my god, you guys have to try this. I think if you order it online, just ship it to you frozen and then you can just heat it up in the oven yourself. Yeah, so what are you guys up to? What shows are you guys watching on Netflix or whatever? Oh yeah, I just started watching this on Netflix. I think it's called the Swindler. Tinder Swindler. The Tinder Swindler. Yeah, that's what it's called. You guys watch that? I like con artist shows. Excuse me. Oh my god. No, this would make a really nice wedding cake, right? Imagine this as a 3-tier cake. So good. Mmm. My God, this is super good. This is like bite-sized chicken pot pie. Almost like shepherd's pie. Ooh. And this one is the potato ball with I think it's beef. This is good too. This is like one of the best sellers. Yeah, what other shows are you guys watching on Netflix? Oh, the other one that I like is that what's it called? Dirty John? Ooh. Excuse me. Eat some rose petals. Mm. It's just like spinach, you know, the texture. Imagine someone gives you flowers, give you some roses for Valentine's Day, and then you just put it in your mouth and eat it. It's pretty good. I mean, if you don't want it, I think you can just pick it off. I think it's interesting. Oh my god, this is the best red velvet cake I've ever had. Really, this is so good. I had many red velvet cakes before, like, you know, from other places, red velvet cupcakes too, but I don't like them. It's like they have this really weird aftertaste to it. Like, I'm not sure if it's the coloring, you know, the color that they put in it that's causing the taste, but the other red velvet cakes always taste just weird, you know, kind of like, you know, like Twinkies, they always have a weird aftertaste to it. Yeah, but the good thing is Porto's red velvet cake doesn't have that weird plastic feeling, the taste to it. It tastes just great. The sponge cake is really soft, really moist, and then the cream cheese is just so good. Oh my god, this is really good. If you're a fan of red velvet cake, you have to try this. Unfortunately, this is not available for shipping nationwide, so you have to come to Los Angeles to try this. But the good news is that there are other stuff. Let me see. Yeah, a lot of their pastries, like their croissant, the cheese rolls, empanadas, meat pies, and the chicken croquette balls that I ate, they ship nationwide. So you can just order it anywhere in the United States, and then they ship it to you frozen, and then you can just heat it up in the oven. And I think it will taste really good. Like, seriously, their food is super good. Really good. Like, really, really very good. Yeah, so if you guys do come to Los Angeles, do visit Porto's. Yeah, I think this is her, Porto. Rosa Porto. Yeah, this is the founder and her children. Yeah, oh my god, I'm such a big fan of Porto's. Right, so how are you guys doing? Good, I hope. Right, so I'm here in Los Angeles. Do let me know what you guys would like me to eat here. Any restaurants like Porto's, you know, any restaurants you guys would let me try, do let me know down in the comments. Any good bakeries, you know, that I have to check out, do let me know down in the comments. And also any fast food chains, new stuff from any fast food, do let me know as well. Oh yeah, and big thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate you. If you guys wish to support me as well, you can check out my Patreon. You can donate like $1 a month and then send me a message on Patreon to record a shout out in my video if you like. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing okay, you know, and staying safe wherever you are. And I really appreciate you for being here with me. Please like today's video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe on my face or give my page a like or follow so you see more of my videos. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Click on here, 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 or here.